Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about the organ systems inside our body, the body movement in different animals like earthworm, snail, cockroach, fish, birds and snake, and the human skeletal system. Students, as we know, all living organisms are made up of one or more than one cells. For this reason, cells are known as basic structural unit or building block of the life. Your organisms can be unicellular and can be multicellular. Cells make tissues and tissues make organs and organs make organ systems. Organs. Our body has various parts called organs which perform different functions. Several organs together form one major function for the body like respiration, digestion. These groups of organ form a organ system. Like digestive system, major organs are mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine, liver and pancreas. Respiratory system, major organs are nose, mouth, windpipe and lungs. Nervous system, major organs are brain, spinal cord and nerves. Circulatory system, major organs are heart and blood vessels. Excretory system, major organs are kidney, skin and bladder. Skeletal system consists of bones and muscular systems are made up of muscles. Students, based on the presence or absence of the backbone, animals can be grouped into two types: invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates, animal lacking a backbone like earthworm, snail, cockroaches are invertebrate, and vertebrate are animals with backbone such as human being, cow, fish, birds, snake, frogs, etc. An earthworm has a long tube-like body. The body is made up of many rings or segments joined end to end. It has no bones. Muscles present in the body wall help the body to elongate and shorten. The body shape is maintained by a fluid present inside the body. Such a skeleton is called a liquid skeleton. During movement, the earthworm first extends the front part or the anterior part of the body, keeping the remaining part, rear part or the posterior part of the body fixed to the ground. Then it fixes the front part and releases the rear part. It then shortens the body and pulls the rear part forward. In this manner, earthworm move forward. Such movements involve repeated contraction and expansion of the muscles. In the soil, the body secretes a slimy substance which help in the movement. During movement, the animal is able to keep its grip on the ground because of the presence of number of minute hair-like bristles on the undersurface of the body. The bristles are connected to the muscles. Earthworm, they breathe through their skin. They have no eyes but are light sensitive. They cannot survive in strong sunlight. If an earthworm loses any parts of its body, it will grow back. A snail is a very slow moving animal having a rounded structure called the shell on its back. The shell is the outer skeleton and is not made of bones. It does not take part in movement from place to place and cannot move by itself. Snail also have a pair of tentacles which bear eyes at the tips. When a snail has to move, the food comes out of the shell through an opening in the shell. It produces the mucus. so that animal gets a smooth surface to walk or crawl. The muscular foot produces a series of wave-like movements that help the animal to move forward. The shell is dragged along with the foot. Fish live in water. To understand how movement in water are caused in fish, we need to observe the shape of a fish. The shape of a fish is like of that a boat. It is narrow in the front and the tail and broader in the middle. This type of shape is called streamline shape. A streamlined body offers least resistance to the flow of water and allows the fish to move in water easily. Special structures are present in fish which help in swimming. Beside the tail, these structures include fins and flexible bones. The skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. Fins provide stability and direction while swimming and prevent the body from rolling. Thus, fish can swim easily in water. While swimming, forward movements take place as follows. Muscles make the front part curve to one side and the tail part move toward the opposite side. Then, front body part and the tail part immediately curve to the other side. These movements produce a jerk and push the body forward. Snakes move very fast by crawling on their bellies. Special structure called scales are present on their bodies. The scales help in crawling. During movement, the body curves into many loops. Each loop gives the snake a forward push by pressing against the ground. Because of the formation of several loops, the thrust given by the loops allows the snake to move forward very fast in a wave-like manner. Snakes do not move in a straight line. Snakes have a long backbone as the bodies are long. They have many thin muscles connected to each other. The muscles, however, are far from each other. Muscles are also connected to the backbone, ribs, and skin. Cockroaches do not have bones. Their body is covered with the hard outer skeleton called exoskeleton, meaning skeleton present outside the body. The outer skeleton is made up of different units joined together and it helps in movement. Cockroaches walk, climb, as well as fly in the air. They have 3 pairs of legs which help in walking. They also have 2 pairs of wings attached to the breast muscles that help in flying. These are insects which come out at night to feed themselves. They run very fast and are considered to be the fastest running land insects. Flightless birds cannot fly but can run or swim. They have small wing bones and often has more feathers than flying birds. Emu and ostrich have small wings and lots of feather. In penguins, wings are modified into paddles which help in swimming. In next video, we will continue with the same chapter. Thank you, students.